Want to know how I got these curls popping? Stick around. I'm going to go into the hair salon and show you. Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House product line and the Curl House Academy, Let's Get Growing program. And today I just decided that I would turn the camera on to show you how I did my curl definition. So in a moment, I'm going to jump into the hair salon so that you can see exactly what I did. But before we go into the hair salon, I just want to briefly tell you what products I use because the video is going to go really quickly. I'm going to speed it up so that you can really get the entire experience. And I don't want this video to be an hour long, so I'm going to speed that video up. But I'm going to show you really quickly what I use to achieve this look. The first thing that I use is a leave-in conditioner. This is the Juicer leave-in conditioner by Curl House that I applied after I washed my hair. The second thing I will apply is the Sealer Super Moisturizing Cream. This is a thicker moisturizing cream. It really helps my hair stay hydrated, particularly over the winter months when it's colder outside. So this is the second thing that I apply to my hair for hydration and moisturization. And the styling products that I'm going to use in the video is by the Do. This is the Bee Honey Curl Collection. And this is the styling foam. So let me go ahead and tell you, you do not have to use both a gel and a mousse when you do your curl definition. But y'all know I'm a hairstylist and I'm always trying new products. So sometimes I'll mix stuff together and do my own cocktail. But you'll see in the video that I am using both products. But you don't have to use both. You can use one or the other. But I went ahead and I used them together. Okay, so I am going to head on over into the hair salon so that you can see step by step exactly what I did to achieve this look. So my hair has been washed, deep conditioned, and detangled, and I am spraying leave-in conditioner all over my hair. Next step is to put in the Curl House Sealing Super Moisture Cream to lock in that moisture. I typically recommend that you apply a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizing cream before any styling product. The next step is to add the styling product, which in this case is the Do Honey Custard. I am applying the custard in the entire section, and I am following up with the mousse. Again, this step is optional, but the mousse actually gives my hair a little more slip. Notice that I'm taking my time to make sure all of the product is fully saturated throughout the section. Now it's time to go in small sections to make sure the product is really smoothed into the hair strand. So I am taking a small section of hair, using my fingers to make sure the hair is separated and detangled, and just smoothing the product into my hair. If the hair is not completely detangled, if I feel like it's not smoothed, I will use a larger detangling comb to detangle the hair and then use my fingers to just smooth the product in the section. When doing curl definition, it is key that your hair remains wet. So if you need to pick that water bottle up and wet that hair down a little bit, please do. Afterwards, make sure that section is properly detangled, either using your fingers or if you need to use a comb or brush, do so. And then use your fingers to smooth the product in the section. And once the section is properly smoothed, leave it alone. Do not touch it. You do not want to disrupt the curl pattern. When you disrupt the curl pattern, that will cause frizz. So smooth the section and leave it alone. And you will notice throughout this video, I am pretty much repeating the same technique, taking a very small section of hair, making sure that section is properly detangled, taking product, smoothing it into the hair, and leaving it alone. So watch me as I enhance all of my curls, and stick around because I'll also show you how I dry it and how I increase volume on day one. Enjoy. know you can't see me, but you can hear me. So I finished the curl definition. I decided to switch it up a little bit as opposed to doing a part to the side, which is what I normally do. I decided I'm going to try something completely different, and I'm doing it for the first time. I'm pulling all my hair forward, and I'm just going to see what it looks like, so you get to see with me what the finished outcome will be. So now I'm going to take the Breezelle dryer with a diffuser, and I am going to diffuse my hair to dry it. I really, really like this dryer. Of course, it's purple, so you know I like it because it's purple. But the heat settings, there are like 3 different heat settings on it, and it's a cool setting, and the hair dries faster. So we're going to give it a try. So I'm going to turn it on so I can dry my hair with the diffuser. And because it's cold outside, you can definitely use a dryer with the diffuser to dry your hair in the morning. If you want to do like quick curl definition in the morning and you want your hair to dry pretty quickly, you can use a dryer. All right, while my hair is not all the way dry, it did get it pretty dry. I'm not going to use the dryer to dry it all day anyway. It's mostly dry, but I'm going to let it dry for the rest of the day. And then after it dries, then I will fluff it out. So I will be back with that step. All right, here goes. My hair is completely dry. You can see it has shrunk a little bit. So the next step is to take the Breezelle dryer and actually stretch the roots out a little bit just to give me a little more length. And in addition to that, I'm going to create volume so that I can finish off this hairstyle. So I got the dryer. I showed you the diffuser that diffuses the heat from the dryer. Now I'm going to put on the concentrator. Now, see how easily that popped up there? What the concentrator does, it concentrates heat literally to where you want the heat to go. So I want to stretch the roots. So I'm going to really put the heat directly on the roots. Now, as I said, the dryer has different settings: cool, warm, and hot. To stretch the roots, I don't have to have it on hot. I'll have it in between. When the ring is blue, that's a cooler setting. When it gets kind of red, it's the hotter setting. I'm going to use the hotter or warmer setting to actually stretch my hair. All right, here we go. So I have used that amazing dryer to stretch my hair. You all, this dryer is by Breezelle. It is really, 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 really great for your hair. I love the heat setting. I love the cool setting. I'll make sure I put a link below in the description if it's something that you're interested in, and a code to get it for a discount. But now the next thing in this hair journey is to take my pick out the root to give myself more volume. Now, what I did this time, I know it's hard for you to see me. I did this style completely different. Like I said earlier, I put all my hair going to my face to try something different. So I'm hoping when I lift my hair up and stretch my hair with my pick, some of this hair will get out of my face. All right, so here we go. I have the pick, and now I'm just going to lift the roots up, just the roots, to give myself more volume. All right, y'all, it's getting there. It is. This is day 1 of curl definition. Normally by day 2, it naturally kind of lifts up and gets fuller. So I manipulated quite a bit on day 1. I can tell you what's not working. This bang in my face, it is too much hair, y'all. I tried to switch it up, but this is not going to work. It's too much hair in my face. So I'm going to put a part down the middle. I'm going to manipulate it a little bit more. See if I can pull some of this hair out my face. to switch up this look. All right, there we go. This is my curl definition. I put a little part in the middle because it was way too much hair in my face, but this is cool, it's different, but I'm sure I'll go back to my side part after this video. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you've picked up a few more tips on how you can do curl definition in the winter months. Add just thicker creams for more hydration. Again, the styling gel that I use is by the the Honey collection. I can tell you that the gel is harder. It is a firmer gel. I know the Dew has a gel called Big Papa, which is a little softer, but this one is firmer and it will probably make my curls last a little bit longer. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like the channel so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.